Which tile spacers are best for large format tile installation in bathrooms? Use 1/8 inch spacers and consider integrated spacers from tile leveling kits for consistent grout joints and a professional finish. For large format tile, choose rigid plastic spacers that hold position under weight and do not compress when tiles are adjusted. 1/8 inch spacing is a reliable default because it balances grout strength and visual proportion on most large tiles. If the tile edge is uneven, move to 3/16 inch to avoid lippage and visible gaps. Use cross or T spacers in the field and wedge or clip systems at the ends where tiles meet walls to maintain alignment without forcing tile edges. Integrated spacers included with tile leveling kits combine spacing and lippage control by locking tiles into the same plane. Install the base under the tile, set the wedge or cap, and tighten until tiles are flush but not over-compressed. Check tile manufacturer recommendations for joint width and substrate movement allowance because large format tile is less forgiving to substrate deflection. Ensure the floor is level within the tolerances recommended for large format tile. Typically, no more than 3/16 inch over 10 feet unless an uncoupling membrane is used. Keep a small sample row dry laid with the chosen spacer and walk it to confirm visual rhythm and grout fit before committing to adhesive for the whole bathroom. Common mistakes are using too flexible or tiny spacers that collapse when setting heavy tiles, which causes inconsistent joints. Fix this by switching to firmer plastic spacers or the clip style for better support. Another issue is ignoring tile edge variation and forcing tight joints, which leads to lippage and cracking of grout. Address this by increasing nominal joint width to 3/16 inch for wavy edges, or by using a leveling system to correct high and low edges. A third problem is failing to follow manufacturer joint recommendations and substrate movement needs, which results in grout failure. Prevent this by reading product guidance, incorporating movement joints at thresholds and walls, and using appropriate flexible grout or sealant where required. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work with large format tile and share practical installation experience, and it helps contractors connect with more projects in their area. We also host a discussion community where our members exchange tips, ask installation questions, and post photos so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real jobs.